The variation groups allows you as administrator to connect products with different part numbers together using your own selected attributes. The idea here is that you can display products with very slight variants together under one product card. For example, here we've got an Apple iPhone that comes in a number of colours and storage capacities. So by setting our own attributes and allocating a value and then a product to each of those values, the customer can navigate through seamlessly to the product with a desired colour and capacity that suits them. Let's have a quick look at how that's set up in the back end. From admin, simply navigate down to categories and variation groups, and this is where you're going to be able to edit and create all the various variation groups for your store. Let's have a look at the one we've just demonstrated in the front end. So the first thing we do when we create a new variation group is to give it a name so we can identify it in the list of all our variations we've created. Once we're happy with the name, we can then come down here and use the Add Attribute button to add our attribute. The first thing we'll do is give that attribute a name, and once we're happy with the name, we will then add the values that we want to make visible in the store as options. So in this case, the attribute name was phone color, and then the values we added were each of the colors that are available from this particular manufacturer. Once we've done that, we can add or remove any additional attributes that we want to, and add or remove additional values that we want in each of those attributes. Once configured and we're happy, we click Save, and then we move on to adding the products to these various values. To add products to each of the attributes that we've just created, we click on the Create button. In the first box, we either search for or type in the part number of the item that we want to add. In this case, I'm adding an iPhone 12 Max with 512 gig of storage in the graphite color. So I would come down to the attributes we previously created and select the corresponding values and click Save and Close. I've now added this last product to this list of attributes. Simple as that. If we go back to the product, have a look at the variations with graphite and 512, there's our new product that we just added.